Right guys, dctmakes here. Happy Christmas Eve. Look what happened yesterday. This is the top blade holder for my bandsaw, and it broke. Oh, focus. It broke. So after finding out that it's older than I am and obsolete, that we better try and make one. So what we've got so far is extremely hot piece of metal. It's going to be the equivalent piece for that back piece there. And then we didn't have any box that was this size, so we made a little box for the blade guides to go into. And then so that's that piece, and then a piece of strengthener on the back, and a little piece on the front to actually put the screws in, and then cut the section out the middle to match that, and then weld that hot guy. Ow, hot, really hot. Oh, that guy after he's all cleaned up onto there. See how that goes. And then obviously put a slot in it for the wheel to move against, to slide it in and out. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Budging. See you guys back in a minute. Well, we moved on a little. Reinforced the back of the box and the front of the box, so when I cut out the piece for the blade to go through, it has some more strength, and there's enough to actually put the threads in the front. But I tell you what, that Vulcan welder does real nice work. I can't attribute this to me. The welder's doing it real well. Look at that, marvelous. Clean that up. Here's the piece that's going to be on the back right there, so you can see how this is coming along. You make that, don't weld that on the wrong way, Dave. Cut a slot in here, and we have and then cut that out, and then we have a new blade holder for the bandsaw, hopefully. More to follow. Hey guys and girls, amazing what you can make with some hand tools and a welder. No machine involved, just off the cutting wheel, hand thread, you know. I'm just going to put it into the housing, see how we fit. Tolerances are not really tight, obviously, but here you go. It's not dressed and finished, filed and everything yet, but just test the theory before I take this any further. Seems to be pretty tight. Hey, we'll see. Put it on the machine, give it a whirl. Hey guys, gals, I think it worked. Little rough, got to clean it up, but wasn't going to go to all that kind of trouble until I've actually got it working. That's turned out pretty nice. Broke yesterday, fixed today. You guys have a good Christmas day. Bye bye.